Right, so we're a couple minutes late in the stream. I haven't done any analysis yet. You guys didn't do it beforehand. Let's have a quick look. We have broke structure. We're now in a bullish momentum. 15 minutes. No area of interest really. Any real support zones? I mean, we have here, you know, but no real area of interest. If we look down at the 5 minute, we have an area here. So ideally we would like to see a push up from VWAP into this range and a bounce off VWAP from this range. And that's what we're hoping for. We'll mark it on the 2 minute as well. It was a bit of a smaller range and it's already hitting VWAP, so it's a possibility right there. Now I haven't done my... I fucked up my account, dude. I fucked it up. I lost all my profits off stream. I was taking my notes. I ruined it. I made a mistake. I over risked. I did a trade. I over risked. I held on too long. It all kind of just went badly. So pretty much starting again. But that's fine, right? We can always just make it back. It was only 2 days. We still have to reach 10 days. So it is what it is. But even for £400 day today, and we'll work our way back. Right. Let's see. Market open. Let's see what's happening on the chart side. I'm trying to get my thumbnail ready. We're pushing up. Looks like we're going to be breaking the highs some more. Which, as we said, it is a bullish trend here, but we're just looking for sort of a pullback into this range before we continue up higher, or for it to create a new setup on the way up, you know, whatever comes first. I need to sorry, still just getting this all sorted. I was also a little late getting set up. That's why I was late to the stream. Obviously, I was like a minute or two late to the stream. That's because I didn't get anything set up. So there's the thumbnail with new updated progress for £50,082. So look, we're still up £82. Holy shit! That's a big rip, isn't it? I don't even see it. 25 points. Has updated my shit. I get you would have seen that. That's pretty cool though. We got a 20-point rip on that. A 20-point rip is nice. Let's see if any setups coming out, right? So with a new top here, any interest here? It seems to be a nice resistance level. We're still seeing them into a POI yesterday's area. We'll check those real quick while it's nothing's gonna happen right now. So let's have a look. 9 o'clock. A bit of stuff coming out. Nothing too important though, right? It might be a bit wonky. We do have some consumer confidence coming out, so we'll look out for 9 o'clock news. Looking for 9 o'clock news. That's what we're gonna do. So it could be sketchy. We're just fucking rocketing up now. That's what, 40 points now? 40 point candle. Still going. Ooh. 3 of 5 contract yesterday. Like, what was I doing? I thought I'll make some profit. You know, come back tomorrow and be like, oh, I made some profit, kept the streak going. Run it all. Give me a chance to get out yesterday. We were up £5 after being down. We said we were gonna call it and we didn't. Lesson to be learned. Lesson to be learned. But it's fine, we'll move on. It's fine. Oh, stressful now though, being back at this level, you know. It was nice being up. I thought, even if I have a losing day, sure, I'll stop, won't I? I'll be able to trade longer, because I'm not just going to lose it all at once, am I? And then I go and do exactly that. My fucking hair's coming out. I go and do fucking exactly that one thing, lose it all at once. No, I'm not confident. No, I think if I have one more of those, I'll lose it, you know. But I should only be losing £200. I should still have 5 days left in me, even if I only lose. And what are the chances that happen, right? We were doing so good. We were calling the markets pretty well. Our trades were set up. My confidence was shot. And then the third day, I think I had too much confidence, and I need to find the balance in between. That's going to be the issue, isn't it? They are just shooting up. Not only much there, is there? There's really not. There's nothing. It just took off. Why? Are we breaking all-time highs? No, not even close. Not all-time, but very recent highs we're breaking. We haven't been this high in a while. Wait, no, I'm on the 5-minute and the 15-minute. This isn't going to help me. Yeah, we're breaking the highs. We're coming close. This might be a push back up to the all-time high area, around the 220s, you know, 280s, 300s. It could be a push up to this area coming up over the next couple of days. Now this is rocking up. This candle is 100 points now. If anyone's long that, I'm jealous of them. Looks like we're having a bit of resistance. We weren't able to break the 287 where we rejected before this big drop off. So the same area was rejected. Is there anything of interest here? We had a fair value gap there, but still, we have a fair value gap here. Could be interesting, right? Okay, so we could be looking along into that. sort of direction, or a short off of that direction, expecting some resistance more within this area. So I don't think we're done pushing yet. Yeah, we're still going. That's crazy, isn't it? There's still 7 minutes on this candle, so it could come back and just be a big ass wick, realistically, but it's not gonna do that, right? Now we're breaking the fair value gap now. Bounce out. Still going up. So we're just gonna mark out all these fair value gaps that were created. We're having our first resistance, real resistance here, you know. Like, look at the fucking state of that, right? That's nasty looking. Oh, what do you do in that? Where's VWAP? Help me out, VWAP. Help me. Come up higher. I don't want to go. I want to go long, but I still want to come up to like 140s here sometime soon. I feel like we're going for all-time highs. I really do. I really, really do. What are we aiming for then? For 380? Yeah, 380 for all-time highs. We could replicate that move 2 more times. Obviously, that's a big move to want to replicate. That's massive. But if we slow grind the rest of the day, what I mean is like tomorrow, if we can like replicate that sort of move in the morning too, then we'll hit it. I don't mean like we're gonna hit all-time highs today or nothing. I'm not 100% sure that could even happen. But I mean, it could happen. Obviously, it could happen. But would it happen? Right. I don't know. I don't think I want to be getting in at this first area, to be honest. That's quite intimidating. Alright. What did I do here? At the line. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Hello? Did I fuck it up again? What happened? Motherfucker, I did the wrong one again. Okay. I mean, that's a lot of points though, isn't it? That's still a big candle, isn't it? To want to risk. So maybe if I could get a bounce off VWAP around here, if it does start dropping more. Because at that point, I think VWAP's going to come up. If VWAP comes up, that's going to be problematic for that, right? Because if we get in that the bottom one, but VWAP bounce, there's no way that feels. But I want to see the top one be the only one that gets used, and we miss the move. 30 seconds left on the candle. I don't want to flip it right now. So if we can hold a red candle for the end of this, we're good. I think it'll keep going down. Ten seconds. Okay. Good, good. Okay, let's hope for it to break. See, now we're getting to sort of, you know, sort of like an interest area at the 50% mark. You could even just use the 50% mark as an entry, but I think this will get retraced. I'm not worried about this. I think this will just, like, you know, maybe even be a full candle. I actually thought it was going to finish as a steady candle over 2 minutes, but then, like, get instantly retraced. But just what, a minute 30 to go? This candle is huge. Like, what is happening today? I feel like I've missed something. I feel like my beginnerness is leaving something out. Like, what could it be? Okay, so good news. At 8:30, there was okay. So that's why I should have got in long now. It's starting to rain outside. It's going for... It's fucking going. Like, what is happening? It's not gonna do it. It's out of gas. It's out of gas. It's gonna drop. That green candle's getting retraced. Might have been wrong. Might have been wrong, but we'll see. What do we have left? We have a minute left on the candle. We could push that in a minute, right? What is that? 20 points? How do you push 20 points in a minute? But when we push 20 points a minute is different story. I think we're not getting the full retracement of it, but probably a sign for going bullish, isn't it? But there's nothing. retrace now. There's just not much going on, is there? I mean, I get there is. I get there's a 100 and some point move, but not much that I can enter off. No, the retracement anyway. Is that like to the tick? Was that or one below? One above it was okay. I thought that was to the tick. 50% margin is about to be filled. 50% margin, what? 50% range on our expansion. That's what it is now been hit into. We're dropping even further into it. That may be as far as we go, right? But what that then leaves us with is, like, you know, a fair value gap, 15 minute. We'll adjust that as it goes. Fair value gap 50 minute would be a good, very good range right now. So I'd really be looking for a 15-minute VWAP bounce off and around this area. That's what I'm looking at. And that's what I'm going to try and get in on. Well, actually, maybe I'll go a little bit lower. Remove that bitch. Maybe I'll go a little bit lower. Is this what I want to do? 5 points, $100. We'll have it set in for now. And we'll see how it goes, right? This wouldn't be a bad area. You're looking at about 68% area here. So it would not be a bad entry for a long as well. I've had some challenges I've traded during this little bit. I'm glad it happened. But if it moves down with as much movement, do I even want to get in at that area? I don't think it's going to go down that far. VWAP now. I would love to long it, but I have a plan, right? Might try it here. On the wick of the last candle. But I think that's it. I think it's out. I think it missed a move. I've missed it, haven't I? Maybe? Because the 15 minute, right? If we're looking at the 15 minute, we still got 7 minutes on this candle. So there's 7 minutes to touch this this wick right here is what I'm thinking. And we'll look for more setups. If that doesn't happen, we'll check something else out because it looks like we've missed a move. God damn it. We would have been in that. But no. That sucks. We're hitting a bearish effigy. We did have a break of structure here. So our new areas we were looking at would be these two, or current structure. Is that how it works? Sorry, am I tripping? Would you call this the pullback for this move, or would you call this the pullback for this move? It looks like we're having some issues. It does look like we're going short here, right? But good news, good news. Areas need to be filled. But are we going for all-time highs this soon? Is the question, right? Is any higher of a push into that? Really approaching on all-time highs here, isn't it? Like 100 some points from here, 200 points. It's not that much. But do you think it's going to break that structure, do we? Do we really think it's going to actually wipe out the goals for the day, like the longest for the day? Full hundreds of a point move retraced. If I lose $100, I'm calling it there. Like, I'm not risking. This is dodgy for me. I need to have something more secure than 100 up, 100 down. I was honestly hoping for a tap in there for a ride the whole way back up. That would have been so good. Full 100 points with one contract would have been good. I don't know how good it would have been. How good would that would have been? Maybe like 2K. That would have been a lot. Can I earn that much? Would that fuck up my process? Would I have to earn then 6K to get a payout? That's a lot. I don't want to do it by risking too much. I just want to have more patience than I do when I'm doing challenges. It's all I'm trying to do is get a little better. Didn't test a 15-minute VWAP. Probably did do 5 minutes, right? Maybe I should have been looking at the 5 minute. Okay, didn't test a 5-minute VWAP either. Is that the candle I want to test? Is this the candle I want to test? No, it was a 15-minute candle I want to test, right? Yeah, it was this one. And then this big rip. We have 2 minutes left on this candle for a 5 minute. We have volume at 290, so we have volume at 250s where we are, but we're okay here. There's nothing really in the 210, which makes me think there's going to be a quick little sweep down to my area. But am I going to be too tight of a stop loss is the question. Are my nerves going to get me? If it comes down. That's looking very bullish right now, isn't it? Well, you got pretty much filled. We're approaching the low that was broken. There's also a bearish FVG up here, so that's another area of resistance that we're looking to hopefully not use yet. We don't want to use it yet. We want to hopefully get our trade and use it next, if you know what I mean. You want to like kind of go boom 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 boom, hit us in, and then up to this area, because then we could just get the fuck out right here and be happy with 80 points. 80 points would be my biggest trade. But I'd never be able to hold it for a full 80 points, there's no way. Especially not now that it's slowing down. Now that we're past market open, it's a lot more calm, right? It's a lot more relaxed. We are pumping 20 points, 40 points in the 5 minute. So I'm thinking this is where it's getting. Oh, I'm gonna take those orders out. I forgot I had those on. We missed that trade. By literally like 4 handles, 4 points. Like we could have been back. I could have had my profits back. Oh, I could have had them back. Filled the value gap, rejected it. Creating a bearish gap here, so we can call this one used. Because we got this. And short 85 with 10 points risk on £200, $200. Hope for a short down to the value gap missed. You know, we haven't filled up these. We'll hope the short down. If we do get a good short, then we could make some money off of that. We'll see. What's that to the two? Oh, there's no way. I'm shook. My confidence isn't here. Could have been up $200 now. Could have went break even. I can't believe I just done that. I knew it was gonna happen too. I said 85. What did I get to? 84. One off me. One take off me. I just want one more. One more I want it. just so I could put 10 pips on it and be behind this, you know? It's all I wanted. Well, this one's been abused. This one's been abused. To be honest, this one can get fucked. It's this one that's scaring me. Because if I take a VWAP trade and it decides to go down to that gap and then return, I'm gonna get fucked on. You know, that's what was scaring me before. That's why I didn't want to take the trade before. Because when I took that short, what was that shorter than that? 1875. Oh, that'd have been safe. But I just wanted to take it a bit lower, you know. I was hoping for it to come down, hit me, have a bit of drawdown, maybe like 50, 60 pound, maybe like 1 or 2 points of drawdown, and then return. But it didn't come down that far. It could have made it back from my mistake yesterday that I'd done. I'll never trade off streaming again since it's only challenges. We're doing so good. Oh, what is the market doing now? This looks like a breakout, doesn't it? This looks like it's going to break this trend now. I can't believe I called that trend to the tick too. I could have made some money back at least from what I've lost. Doesn't matter how much, I could have made some. I'd still be in that trade right now. Probably think I'd be thinking about getting out right now. I want to go long in this fair value gap. I really do. Maybe here. I'm thinking like this. It's a bit more than I'd be willing to risk. Oh, not 38, no. Seven and a half points, 7.25 points of risk, are what we're going with. And we would like to target this trend line. Wherever it continues is where we look to target, you know?
Order filled.
We're in now. If this is a loss, that'll be it for me today. Oh my god.
Stop filled.
Well, you heard me say it. I'm gonna take your notes. I'm gonna take, because I like to take down everything I'm doing right now. Oh, and look at that! It just about fucking done me into. If I had a went with my oh, if I had a went with 37, I would have did it, and I was. I hate this game. I hate this game. I don't want to play this game anymore. Took me out bad tech. I've been up. We'll be back tomorrow. Um. Well, let's take him. All right. Um. This fucking sucks. This fucking sucks. Well, I can't believe we just got robbed like that. But, you know, at least the one trade we did enter, it would have been good if I wasn't a stingy bitch. And after losing 1,000 yesterday, I'm going to be a stingy bitch. But it is unfortunate that that happened to me. But yeah, you know, if you got this far in the video, in the stream, you know, I love you for watching it, but like, subscribe, do all that shit. Get me some numbers. Hopefully I'm not going to make no money from trading. But yeah, next stream tomorrow, same time, 8:30, whatever time that is. It's 2:30 in the UK. Whatever that, New York time. Well,